And now we will start doing the rest of work. So this is from chapter 2, pages 30. First, multiple choice questions are there. So to the first part, answer B is correct, which is true. The set of natural numbers with 0 added to it becomes the set of whole numbers, because the set of whole numbers is 0 added to the natural numbers. So B part is true. Second question, position of 4 in the number 3,24,901 is thousands, B tens, C units, D hundreds. So A is correct option, thousands. 4 is in thousands. Look at the figure. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 2, and 3 in the lakh. So 4 is in thousands. Then the third part is position of 8 in the number 859,637 is millions. There is a comma after 8. So put a comma here. This is a Pakistani number. Millions, lakhs, 10,000, crores. So lakhs, 5 is in, 8 is in lakhs. 8,59,637. So 8 is in lakhs. There is a comma after 8 in the question. 5 billion is greater than 5 Arabs. True or false? Five billion is equal to 5 Arabs. D is correct. Sum of two 3-digit numbers is always a 3-digit number. True, false, not always true, none of these. Not always true. One million, six part, 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? So you read the table. 1 million equals 10 lakh. Page was 27. I've told you before. So the answer is 10 lakh. B part. So this exercise you will do upon your notebook. Copy down all the multiple choice questions and write down their correct answer. So now we will do the next chapter, giving you 5 minutes, factors and multiples. In this chapter, we will study about factors and multiples. What are factors? Factors are divisors. In other words, the numbers which divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder is known as factor. And multiples are the tables. The natural numbers multiplied by any natural number gives you the multiples, and so on. Welcome to the intricate world of factors and multiples. This world was laid open to mathematicians by the invention of the Arabic system of numerals, a world where every natural number can be generated by multiplying 2 or more of the basic numerals 0 to 9. So you know the basic numerals are starting from 0 and there are 10 digits in it up to 9. So all the numbers we are going to made in the natural and whole numbers are made up of these 10 numerals. So I'll come to the next page. So in division, you have you are known by this formula. This stands for the division of numbers. Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. This gives us the rule of division. The result may be written in horizontal form as follows. So when you divide some number upon some another number, the number you are going to divide is dividend, and by divisor you are going to divide it, and in the answer you get quotient and remainder in the end if there is a remainder. So the examples are given here. You can see the divisors. The divisor is 5 and different numbers are given. We are going to divide these number upon 5 and you get the answer, different answers. So dividend is 35 equals to 7 into 5 plus 0, means 35 is divisible exactly by 5. 36 divided by 5 is 7 into 5 plus 1, because 1 is the remainder in this case. According to the given formula, dividend equals quotient multiplied by divisor, quotient multiplied by divisor, added to the remainder. Come to the definition. The number that divides another number, dividend, completely without leaving a remainder is a factor of that number. So if you can, page is 33, and this is the definition for divisors, factors. So factor is that number which divides the given number exactly without leaving a remainder. Underline this statement for the blank. Page is 34. The factor of a dividend can be a prime number or a composite number. Underline this statement for the blank. So page is 35 and there are some rules for division. You did in class 5, the number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. So which numbers in the natural or whole numbers are divisible by these given numbers? The definitions are given. To when the digit in the unit space of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, means any even number with 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. If they are present in the unit space of a number, you can say the number is divided by whatever the number is. Means suppose I am taking 3, 5, 4, 0, 2. So the unit space of a number is here. 2 is in the unit space, so you can say the whole number is divisible by 2. The number is 35,402. So this is a bigger number, but by looking at the unit space, you can say that the number is divisible by 2. If there is 2, 0, 4, 6, or 8 in the unit space of a number, you will look at the unit space only, the number is divisible by 2. This is the rule of divisibility of 2. 3. Which number is divisible by 3? The second rule for number 3, this is for 2. So when we add up the digits of a number, 4 plus 0 plus 5 gives you 9. If the sum of digits of any number is a multiple of 3, the number is divisible by 3. This is the rule for 3. So you will add up the digits of number, means 405 has got 3 digits. You will add up all the digits. If the answer is a multiple of 3, the number is divisible by 3. This is the rule, stands for the divisibility of 3. So any number having addition of its digits and that addition is divisible by 3 or a multiple of 3, you can say the number is divided by 3. What is the rule for 4? 4 is an even number, and the rule is if a number has got zeros in the units and tens places, or the number formed by the units and tens places is a multiple of 4, the number is divisible by 4. So this is the rule for 4. Written in the book, the number formed by the last two digits of the number is a multiple of 4, or the last two digits comprises zeros. So you can say that if there is a 0 in units and 0 in the tens places, or the number formed by the units and tens places is a multiple of 4, the number is divisible by 4. Rule of 5, if there is 0 or 5 in the unit space of any number, the number is divisible by 5. So in the unit space, if you find 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Written in the book. So read out all the rules by yourself. 6, the number is divisible by 2 and the sum of digits of the number is a multiple of 3. Means if the number is divisible by 2 as well as it is divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 6. So you will apply both the rules for 6, the divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. If both are, you can use both the rules upon the number is also divisible by 6. If any number which denies to divide 2 or 3 denies the given number, so the number is not divisible by 6 anyways. 8, if there are zeros in the units, tens and hundreds places, or the number found by the units, tens and hundred places is divisible by 8, the given number is divisible by 8. The rule of 9 is same as the rule of 3, the sum of digits. If the sum of digits of a number is a multiple of 9, the number is divisible by 9, just like 3. 10, if there is 0 in the units place, the number is divisible by 10. Now look, children, if there is 0 in the units place, the number is divisible by 2. If there is 0 in the units place, the number is also divisible by 5. And if there is 0 in the units place, the number is also divisible by 10. 11. The difference between the sum of alternate digits of a number is 0 or a multiple of 11. Now, please concentrate. I'm going to explain this rule to you people. Suppose we have a number 081, 103, 103,081. There are 6 digits in this number. So alternate digit means 1, 3, and 8. You are leaving your one number, one digit. These are the alternate digits. So for the rule, we will add up all the alternate digits like this. 1, 3, and 8 equals 12, and 0 plus 0 plus 1 gives you 1. So the difference of the sum of alternate digit means 12 minus 1 is 11. If the difference is 11 or a multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. Now you can say that 103,081 is divisible by 11. Because the difference of the alternate digit, the sum of alternate digit is 11. If the difference of the sum of digit is 11, or 0, you will say that the number is divisible by the number 11. This is the rule of 11. So you will first find out the alternate digit in the number and then add up the alternate digits, and with the answer you will do the subtraction. 12 minus 1, so 12 minus 1 gives you 11. If there is 0 or 11 in the answer, you can say the whole number which is given to you people is divisible by 11, otherwise the number is not divisible by 11. 25, the number formed by the last two digit of the number is divisible by 25. The number is divisible by 25. These were the some rules given to you people. So now here, pages 36, underline this statement for the blank. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying that number by any natural number. So these are the multiples. When you multiply any natural number with another, you get the multiple of the respective number. So a multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying that number by any natural number. This is the definition for the multiples. So there is an exercise 3A upon page 38. So we will solve first and second question. Fill in the blanks are there. So the first question is, fill in the blanks. The first blank is 135 equals 12 into dash in the bracket plus 1. What is this? Dividend. Divisor multiply by the quotient added to the remainder. This is the formula. So by using this formula, you will divide 135 upon 12. 12, 1 is 12. Remainder is 1, 15. 1 is 12. 3 is remainder. So your answer will be 135. Now we can fill the blank easily. Look, divisor is there and missing with the quotient, which is 11, and plus 3 is the remainder. This is the remainder, this is the quotient, and this is divisor. Dividend is equal to divisor into the quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. By using this formula, you can solve the rest of two parts by yourself. Then question number 2 is state. You will do the both part by yourself. If you find any difficulty, you can ask. State whether the following are true or false. Every natural number is a multiple of itself. Is it true? Every natural number is a multiple of itself. True. 1 is a factor of every natural number. True. Multiples of 12 are all multiples of 9. False. Multiples of 8 are all multiples of both 2 and 4. True. Okay.